BitPay card. Watch before using. In this video, I'll give you a no-nonsense, expert analysis of the BitPay card to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Links to the product are provided in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching. The BitPay card is a crypto debit card that allows you to convert cryptocurrencies into US dollars and use them anywhere MasterCard is accepted, both online and offline. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and more. The card has no conversion fees, which is a major plus if you frequently transact in crypto. However, there's a $10 activation fee and a small charge for ATM withdrawals, so keep that in mind. This card is ideal for crypto enthusiasts who want to integrate cryptocurrency into their everyday spending. It's especially useful for those who want to simplify the process of spending crypto without manually converting it to fiat on an exchange. BitPay provides real-time transaction notifications and detailed spending reports through its app, making it a great option for users who value transparency and control over their finances. One standout feature is the security. The card is non-custodial, meaning you have full control over your private keys. Additionally, it offers compatibility with Google Pay and Apple Pay, so you can easily use it for contactless payments. However, it's worth mentioning that the card is currently only available to US residents. Overall, the BitPay card is a strong contender in the crypto debit card space, but it may not be the best option if you're looking for international availability or lower ATM fees. Consider your usage habits and needs before making a decision. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.